about that other round. Like I put that was the last round, but I just realised that we had one more brand
No,
to
two more,
do.
remember?
Oh yeah,
One.
2 more brands. But I thought that was the last round.
Yeah, and I just reminded her too. So the next one is like a different kind of conditioner that I've just put on the table here. This is a apple green conditioner.
Show them.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna get that.
So you guys can use what we use, but make sure you go and check our other 3 videos.
Yeah, and make sure that it's all from the US.
So yeah, if you're in the US, you'll probably have all of these. I don't know
If
how
you're
to
in the
pronounce
US
that, guys, but
Let me see. It says it's something. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is that?
so there is,
But,
guys.
and it is juicy green apple
Yeah.
for normal and greasy hair. Refreshing conditioner.
So we got some on the table. So we're adding dabs at a time. Like, I'm really scared to add this, but I don't want to add any more stuff to it because it's really sticky at the moment.
Yeah, but
Oh
this
my
will
God.
help. This will help it. You need to add.
Oh, that's so much more.
You need to add a little tiny bit at the top, or it will go sticky.
So like mine's not that sticky.
Even
It
though-
is kind of sticky.
This is probably going to be butter.
I was about to say it's never really as sticky, but it actually is.
Mine's kind of sticky, I have to say.
It's alright, I guess. It's not as good as I expected it to be at the end of this video.
Yeah, look. Just a bit sticky. It's not that sticky. You can still play with
But
it.
like, I actually thought at the end of the video that this would just turn into water and we would end up chucking it. But
Yeah.
actually, I feel like we're going to keep this because
Yeah, this
it's
is-
actually gone really good.
Yeah, this is a success, I have to say. But
At the end of this video, like, it'll probably be a success. But like, when the video is done, we are going to be kneading it in, and then we're going to be
Yeah, we just
making a video health one down now. We're going to tell you everything, like what we thought it was going to turn out to, what we thought,
look, I'm just kneading
like
it.
our opinions
Opinions.
on this slime.
I actually thought it was kind of gonna be a success, but like,
Yeah, sure, because we're doing that on the next video.
huh?
We're doing that on the next video.
Okay.
I'm gonna say everything on the next video. But
Okay.
we're just doing the
Pretend you didn't hear that. Okay. So mine is a kind of success. Kind of.
Mine's good.
Yeah, it's good. Look at mine. I just need a bit.
Maybe.
I need more.
Like, it's a bit slimy.
A bit.
A lot slimy. Like, it's a little bit like, it's a little bit like slidey off your hands.
Yeah, mine's a bit like pudding.
When you like, you
I
put it
love
on
it.
your hands and you just put conditioner on it, it's kind of like
Sticky.
It's kind of like slippery and slimy. I've got the hiccups, so sorry. Let me feel yours. So we do this time where like we
feel
feel
each
each other's
other's.
at the end of this when we've used all of the substances on the table.
Yeah, but we haven't yet.
So we're not going to put it.
I just leave.
I'm really excited to put her because it looks good. Is
Yeah,
yours
I'm
good?
excited to put like the last ingredients
Look
in.
at this, Kyra.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how stretchy mine is.
This is how stretchy mine is.
How
Mine
she
is
stretched,
so
how it.
stretchy.
I just put more in. See guys, it's really good. I'm going to put this forward so you guys can see a bit more.
Also, we might be making Play-Doh slime when we get some Play-Doh. No, because we ordered a package and it's coming like, I don't know when it's coming.
Because we ordered it last night.
Yeah, it's coming in the week and I will also be here. I'm her cousin. I don't live here. My mom's downstairs. This is like really cool.
Like, you guys see me with other books, like Tyler. You saw me with Tyler. You saw me with Jaden. You saw me with Clara. And you saw me with Hardy. And you saw me with quite a lot of people.
What?
Get ready
Okay. Get ready.
now.
Okay. You can just knead mine for me.
Yeah. Well, she just goes and gets Tyler and the card again.
Yeah, close.
And then just come back in. So, oh my gosh, this is so soft. So, hers is not sticky. It is kind of sticky, but it's not as sticky as I thought it would be because Carla because I was on the line.
Yeah, because usually I'm the queen that fails everything. Like, she gives me blue tack and then I go home.
And she'll do it and then she'll just add too much or something. But like I didn't think it was that nice. I thought it was going to be a lot more
at the moment, but Demi says, I think Demi thinks like mine's kind of working.
But it's a little bit.
Which one's mine?
And this one's mine.
Oh, she's just eating it. I'm just eating. Kyle.
Okay, so you can.
Huh?
Oh my god, mine's so much better. Do you want to film mine?
Yeah.
It's glittery, guys.
Yeah.
Glitter, because one of our shanties have glitter in them. Because we
This
are
is
going to mix
hard.
these in.
Yeah, hers is hard.
Because these are
You
all
ju-
my blue tack and I just split it in half. So like
Yours
people
is
don't need it.
too. Look.
Do you mix them all together and see what it turns out like?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going
And
to
then we can add that last brand together and then we can take them down. So this is the last brand that we need.
I need the toilet so you can carry on.
Yeah.
Kyra, come and sit here then. Come and do it. Just play with it. Don't like add it yet without me. Don't add it without me.
Yeah, I'm gonna add it. Yeah, but I'm not gonna mix.
Okay. So I just want to.
I'm just gonna show them what we added.
So-
We added this just in. So. Yeah. Very good. So, I'm just going to mix that in. So, this is making it unsticky. This is how much I added. I'm just going to mix it in. Whoa, this is getting non-sticky now. Non-stick. I mean it. So, you can add. I added, like, I would say I added half a teaspoon.
You got it on the top of it.
So it's non-sticky, you just need to knead it in. So yeah. Make sure to dry your hands so like you don't get any water in it. It's just non-sticky. You need to add it. If it's sticky, like of course you're going to add it because like you know.
Right,
Really? It's kind of sticky. It's not really.
so you gotta keep on kneading it in if it's this sticky, guys.
Yeah, it's not that sticky, I have to say.
It is sticky to me.
To me, it's not, and I've been fine with it. Yeah, because you've been fine with it, or I've been fine with it, and you've been fine with it that much.
You feel it. So we're gonna sit down and do.
I'm just going to say we're going to sit down. John.
You try that.
I'm going to try it.
I'm just saying the other half.
Look,
This one
look how
is-
fast I can knead. Right, let me reach for it.
That's good. And I feel it.
Yeah.
Is it sticky? You just gotta keep on like messing with it, and it'll go less
you
sticky
want.
on your hand.
If it's still sticky, you can add some conditioner.
You can. No, you can't add conditioner.
No,
You
but
can't add conditioner. You need to add something else, like the gel.
oh yeah, the gel. The gel was really good. So
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
this time I'm only going to add a little bit.
No, that's enough. Quite that's enough. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of the gel. The gel really works with this. Like it needs it in. And the gel's really thick too. If you just sit there on top of the gel, it's really good.
Yeah, but you could also. I don't think you can make slime.
Guys, like,
just Yeah.
Come on,
Okay.
my friend.
I just need. I need to put my coat on.
So it's very, very fluffy. It's pretty sticky, but it's.
Sit on that step! Don't move!
Oh my god.
Can we cut this? Can we cut that out of the video?
What?
This noise.
No. Okay, we shouldn't have added that to it.
No, I will need it because like I'm like,
Oh my god.
at least you can still play with it. And when I'm gone, you can put it in the fridge for overnight. Or like
Now because Django's in the fridge
or
in the
like
morning.
15 minutes. Can I put my shoes on?
Can you wait for me just so I can come down to the thing?
Sure. Let's get my shoes on. What's my
It's a ghost. So guys, I'm just going to wash my hands. Right, so guys, thank you for watching this video. This was a total fail, but we're still going to keep this one because it usually turns out really good. So yeah, see you guys in another video. Bye!